Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a brand new, very cool ABC set with a whole bunch of animals. They all fit together and make a little puzzle. So we're gonna do it all together with the whole cast of Sesame Street. Let's get started, boys and girls. This one's gonna be fun. Look guys, it's Elmo. Elmo, what did you bring for us? A bunch of letters. Here's the letter C, the letter B, and the letter A. Very cool. Let's go ahead, and this is A for alligator. And then we have B for butterfly. And then we have C for caterpillar. So let's go ahead and put these together. Does this go here? No. Here? No. How about here? Maybe like that. Cool. We just put it there. Now we have the C for caterpillar. Where does that go? Here. Yep, here. No. I got an idea. How about here? Cool. We just put it together. So we have alligator, butterfly, caterpillar, A, B, C. So let's see who else is here to come help us out. Whoa, look, it's Cookie Monster, and he's gonna help us out. Cookie Monster, what letters did you bring for us? We have an F here. What else is there? We have an E. Let's check this last one here. And this one is a D. So let's go ahead and go through these letters and add them to the puzzle. So our first one is D for duck. So where does that go? Let's go here. No. I think it might go up here. Perfect. And our next one is E for elephant. So where can we put Mr. Elephant? About here. Okay. And then we have an F for flamingo. I'm guessing that goes right here. Perfect. Now we have an A, B, C, D, E, F. Very cool. Thanks, Cookie Monster. See you guys later. Whoa, who's in that bulldozer? It's Grover. Hey, Grover. What did you bring for us? We have an I for iguana. We have an H here for horse. And we have a G. Very cool. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G is for goose. Where does this go? I think it goes inside here. Perfect. How about this one? Now we have an H for horse. Horse. Perfect. And we have an iguana. Iguana. Goes here. No. It goes there. Perfect. Thanks, Grover. See you later. Whoa. Who's in that boat? It's Ernie. Hey, Ernie. How are you doing? And then what did you bring for us? We have an L here. We have a K here. We have a J here. Let's put these two down. Very good. Now, let's see what's next. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Perfect. J for jellyfish. Where does the jellyfish go? Go here. Up top there. No. Could fit in this groove? Perfect. Very good. So we have H, I, J, K. K is for kangaroo. So where can we put the kangaroo? Here? No. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Now we have H, I, J, K, L. L is for ladybug. So where does the ladybug go? Here? No. How about here? Perfect. Thanks, Ernie, for all of your help. We'll see you later. Whoa, who's that driving in? It's Big Bird. Hey, Big Bird. What did you bring for us? We have a O for octopus. We have a M for monkey. And we have an N for narwhal. Very good. So let's see where we are. What's next? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. All right, let's see where the M goes. This is an M. M for monkey. Monkey. I think it goes right here, actually. Very good. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. N is for narwhal. Narwhal. Where should this one go? Maybe you can fit in this groove over here. Perfect. Now, L, M, N, O. All right. So we have a octopus. O is for octopus. So where can we put the octopus? Be down here? No. I have an idea. How about right here? Very good. Thanks a lot, Big Bird, for your help. Whoa! Look who flew in just now. It's Abby. Hey, Abby. Can you help us? All right. So she brought a P for puppy. And then she brought an R for raccoon. And then she brought a Q for quail. Let's slide this all down a bit. Make some space. Very good. So let's continue with our animal puzzle. So we'll go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Very good. P is for puppy. So where does the puppy go? There, here, no, here, no. How about in this groove? Perfect. And now, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Q is for quail. Where does the quail go? I think I know. I think it goes right here. Very good. So, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. R is for raccoon. Where does the raccoon go? Let's go here. Nope. There. But up top, no. I think I know. Maybe down here? Very good. All right, thanks a lot, Abby. We'll see you later. Whoa, there's a car coming in. It's Oscar the Grouch. Hey, Oscar. How's it going? All right, so let's go ahead and see what Oscar brought for us. A squirrel, an S. And we also have a U for unicorn. And then our last one here is a T for turtle. All right, so now let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. S is for squirrel. So where does the squirrel go? Go here. Very good. Q, R, S, T. T is for turtle. Where does the turtle go? Here? No. Let's try right here. Very good. So Q, R, S, T, U. U is for unicorn. Let's see where the unicorn goes. No. Goes right on top. Very good. Thanks, Oscar. Thanks for all your help. We'll see you later. Hey, who's in that bulldozer? It's Bert. Hey, Bert. How's it going? What did you bring for us today? We have an X. We have a V. And we have a W. So, where are we now? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. V is for vulture. Where does the vulture go? Right here. So Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. W is for walrus. Where does the walrus go? Perfect, right here. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. For X. X is for X-ray fish. So where do we put this one? This one goes right here. Perfect. Thanks a lot, Bert. We'll see you later. Whoa, who's in that cool car? It's no other than Rosita, of course. Hey, Rosita. So what did you bring for us? Oh, we have a Z for zebra. And we also have a Y for yak. All right, let's see. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, OPQRSTUVWXYZ. So let's do Y. Y is for yak. Where does the yak go? Right here. Oh man, we're so close to finishing up this puzzle. Everything looks so cool. So, STUVWXY and Z. Z is for zebra. And the zebra goes right here. Very good. Thanks so much, Rosita. We'll see you later. Awesome, guys. We just finished the whole beautiful ABC animal puzzle. It looks so cool. Let's go ahead and say the ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Let's go grab the other guys and let's sing the ABC one more time. Wonderful, the whole Sesame Street cast is here. We have Elmo, Abby, Bert, Oscar the Grouch, Big Bird, Grover, Ernie, and Cookie Monster. Let's go ahead and sing the ABCs one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thank you so much, Sesame Street characters. Thank you, Elmo. Thank you, Abby. Thank you, Bert. Thank you, Oscar the Grouch. Thank you, Big Bird. Thank you, Grover. Thank you, Ernie. And thank you, Cookie Monster. Have a great day, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, like, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.